Hi, Christy. I thought I would play your site or use your site in front of you so you could see how I'm seeing it, and then you can judge whether the usability makes sense to you. I am not sure how to move this. Okay, now I'm sure. I love this. I like how it's black and how the social media stuff on the bottom really pops. You kept it simple. I think you'll agree with me that contemporary web design and user experience stuff is very simplified without a lot of fuss. Okay, so the Greeking is bad news. Number one, it says a template was used. Number two, it just looks unfinished. So you try to get that in there as soon as possible. So I guess what I do is scroll down. Um, is there a way to get these dimensions off of there? Because that also says to me the template hasn't been updated. But that said, let me go ahead and click on one of these. I love the color palette. Nice. So you're just not done yet. But the way this works is marvelous. I love that you give me total control. I don't have to flip back to this area. I can click on that X if I want to. I can go back and forth. That satisfies my, modern consumer way of working. I like too that you're going to have a little slideshow within a slideshow. It's very smart, very sleek, very user friendly. Now, this over here is what made me, okay, I see. This is what made me want to make this movie. I did not get right away that I clicked on there in order to get to the about. So that's kind of cool and fun. Just make sure that you personalize this as much as possible, because if it is a template um, and you are trying to get a user experience job, whoever is looking at this is going to be familiar with it. So you want to be able to say that you jumped off and did X, Y, and Z, because that's what they're going to ask you about. They're going to want to know how you improved upon it. Does that make sense? But overall, it's very interesting. And if you can fill it all out, get it all done, I think you'll certainly give people something to talk about. Let me know if you have any questions.